Hey Plan Fam, my name is Tiffany. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. And if you're returning, glad to see you again, friends. Today we are doing a haul from one of my favorite sticker shops, the Planner Kate shop on Etsy. She actually has her own website now that is just plannerkate.com, and I'll show you one of her postcards with that information in just a moment. But I can't wait to share with you all of the great goodies that I purchased for Black Friday. She had a 50% off sale, and let's just say I took full advantage of all the great things. So I'm going to open this, share those things with you, and let me know in the comments below if you took advantage of any of the Black Friday specials from the sticker shops on Etsy or elsewhere online during the holiday season. Let's get started. So first and foremost, as I mentioned before, Planner Kate has a new website. It is just her name. It's not through Etsy anymore from what I understand. And it also has a code here in the event that you place your first order so you can get 25% off. So enjoy it and take full advantage because there are so many great stickers on her site. This is also her business card. She includes that on all of her with all of her orders, and then also the code here will get you 20% off on your orders as well. And I use it throughout the year, so it's not a one-time thing. Otherwise I probably wouldn't be sharing it, but you can use it at any time to enjoy 20% off on her site. These little minis here are so cute. They are the freebies that she includes with your order. I think you get like 5 of them, and no matter how many stickers you purchase. And they're great because they give you samples of other things on her site that you might be interested in down the road. So these are some cute holiday stickers, which I really love because they're very simple and will be great for like my daily planner or a smaller planner. These are some pencil box stickers. I actually have some like these and need to use them at some point, but they're very cute and come in lots of cute colors. Also, these are, I've never seen these before. These are interesting. So these look like timestamps, and they would be great actually maybe to highlight when you have meetings and appointments or important things on your calendar or planner, and or if your planner doesn't have time sections, you can create your own, I guess. This is pretty neat. These are water trackers. I do have a set of these from a prior sample that she provided, but I love the pretty colors and could never have enough. These are some of my favorites. These are actually new icons in a sense. They're a little bit more simple than the ones I've purchased from her in the past, but these are some nice weather stickers, another great addition to your planner. And then these are just some striped box stickers. I love the different colors, and they'd be great to fill in the event that you just need 1 or 2 for a spread or your planner to highlight something important. All right, so those are my freebies. They're super cute. Some of them are duplicates from what I had before, and some are actually new ideas or options that I'll consider down the road. This is what I purchased, and as you can see, it's quite a bit. It's quite a bit. I needed to re-up on some things, and then she had some new phrases, options, icons that I also thought were pretty cool, so I put those in my cart as well. This is one of those shops where I tend to keep things in my cart, and then when there's a good sale or I need to re-up, which I've gotten better at not doing as often. At one point I was buying stickers from her shop probably every month. Now I buy them maybe 2-3 times a year. 4 times a year, but not nearly as much as I used to. But that's because I also have a good supply of the stickers that I like to use from her shop as well, so I don't have to re-up as much as I did in the past. Okay, so these are planning time stickers. I really love the little icons with the planners beside them and the hearts and the plain black and white text. It's really beautiful, and I plan to use those in my planners. weekly reset. So I have a bunch of stickers that actually say Sunday reset, but I thought this was kind of neat because it's like weekly reset, meaning either Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, I could basically start planning for my next week, and I tend to do that as well. Order takeout. I needed some of these bad because I've just run out. We take out almost every Friday, and sometimes on like special days that I designate. So I was running out of takeout stickers, and I thought these were really cute because they have the little takeout bag and the hearts. So I ordered those. These are sales stickers. So if you're familiar with my Live Rich planner and my monthly calendar, I tend to do a section called sales or discounts. And that's normally like promotions that are going on in a particular month that I don't want to forget about. And I thought these cute little sales stickers would actually be a cute addition there, and I love that they come in all these colors because then I can fit them with my various themes that I use. So I definitely wanted to get those. Staff meeting, these are obviously for work, and I'm trying to make sure that this focuses. These staff meetings have the little clocks on them and the cute cursive writing, but I'll use those in my work planner. So this is a yoga sticker sheet. And I really do need to start putting yoga in my regular regimen again. It was so nice. I do potentially want to start going to a class again, but more importantly, like stretching and meditations in the morning. And I thought these would be a cute icon to just kind of motivate me to start doing that again with my day, because it just gives me such a great start when I do. And I just love the beautiful colors that are included with this sticker sheet. I have walk stickers here, obviously trying to encourage myself to get more fit and active going into the new year. Okay, this is my budget check stickers. As you can see, she has such incredible icon stickers. I love these. They have the calculator and the ink pen and then the cute little budget check script there. So I want to start doing budget checks weekly, maybe even twice a week. And these will be great reminders to do that with the beautiful colors as well. And I actually have 2 of these because that's how important that will be for me. And as I mentioned, I may be doing it more frequently throughout the week. This is actually a spring bucket sheet sticker book. You know what? This is the summer one actually, because I have the winter one and the spring one and the Christmas one, but I didn't have summer. So I was able to snag the summer one during the sale, and I did. I love a lot of the options here. I actually use these in my planner. And then I also purchased these little icon stickers. They're basically like planner stickers with the little hearts here. And I plan to use those to show when I'm planning because I tend to plan almost every day. So I needed something to go in my various planners to just show the times when I plan and or what planner I plan to work on a daily basis. These are the Wacky Holidays. Unfortunately, by the time I placed my order, the first 2 quarters of the year were sold out. So I wasn't able to get January through March or April through June. I was able to snag July through September and then also October through December. I will go back on her site, and I've been checking it actually to see when the first half of the year becomes available again, and I will purchase those with a second order. So these are some meeting stickers that I also purchased. I plan to use these in my work planner as well. I like to note when I have work meetings, so this will be a cute way to do that. I'll be using these in my planners going forward. I love the little laptops and the colors. If you know, I do meal planning quite a bit. I have several videos on my channel about how I do it and, you know, how I set that up. These obviously are going to be used on my meal plans. I will be using these on my meal plan templates for each month. Then there's also these cute little takeout boxes. I thought they were absolutely cute. As you could tell, I really like her little doodle icons, so I tend to buy those when she comes out with new ones. And I just love the fact that these come in all the cute colors. Then we have these cute little stickers for baking. So this is another thing that my daughter and I have gotten into this year as a way of just kind of bonding and creating some new recipes and things to enjoy around the house. We try to bake at least every other week. And so these cute little icons are also going to be used on my meal plan to designate the days and recipes that I plan to make when we're baking. Walk the dog. I ran out of these a while ago, and obviously I need them again now with our new puppy. So I picked up a new set of the walk the dog stickers. Also, I can never, ever have enough days of the week stickers. And then they also come with these cute little date dots as well to use. So I brought these in Julie's Plans font. And then I also purchased the cursor version as well. They're just days of the week that you can use in your planner when you need to customize it based on how you want to set up your calendars or weekly spreads. Affirmations, as I mentioned before, I really want to get into doing daily affirmations again. You will also probably see some videos on my channel in the future about affirmations. So I wanted to make sure I have that in order to put those reminders in my planner as well. Next week, this is kind of a reorder. I have a lot of these stickers in this font, but I needed more because I tend to plan for the next week a lot. So I basically ordered another sheet of the next week. And then declutter. I didn't have this script in my collection. It's so random and hard to find that I just wanted a dedicated sheet of these script stickers. So that's what I purchased here. And this is the D font. So as you can see, there are lots of different fonts that you can select on the website. Organize, organize, organize. Something I really plan to focus on a lot going into the new year. So I bought some new stickers to help me plan for that. Post. Obviously, this is in terms of my social media planning. I want to be able to remind myself about posting things online. And then this one is the fall sticker sheet, and that's interesting because I must have purchased a mini and a regular, but this is the fall bucket list, and once again it has a lot of super cute icons, smaller ones down here, larger ones up here with actions to do. And these are always ones that I can definitely relate to. Make chili, Black Friday shopping, bake an apple pie. I did all these things this year. These are so perfect for the holidays, and they're so relatable because sometimes I see these bucket sheets and I'm like, I'm not doing some of this stuff, right? Like camping in my backyard, like, no, that's not me. So anyways, I love Planner Kate stickers because I tend to relate to a lot of the things that she suggests on these bucket lists. And so this one is going to be yet another one to complete my seasonal stickers in that collection. So those are all of the stickers that I purchased from the Black Friday sale. As you can see, it actually was quite a lot of them. But hopefully you saw some cute options, things to consider. I definitely recommend checking out her website because there are so many different options. If there's something that you need to plan for, 9 times out of 10, she has a sticker for it. So, and she's been around for a long time, has lots of great options, always has things on sale. So I'm pretty sure you may find something that you enjoy there. If you do, let me know in the comments below because I love to chit chat about it. And or if there are other shops that you think that I should check out, let me know that as well. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you'll be informed the very next time we have something to share on the Happiness Heals channel. Take care, friends.